Good evening once again. If you just joined us, welcome back to the Open Live Show. This is what we do each and every Tuesday right here on London's number one radio, TGM Radio. Remember, the show is sponsored by the Granaries. What's up for the Granaries and the weekly events, Ross?
Wolipa party. Just stick and stay to the Instagram page. You will get more details from there.
Exactly. The ultimate party for London. Make sure you join them each and every week. Seeing? I know this week we have a special guest inside the building. We can call him a landmark for South London, a landmark for UK Dancehall. He's been championing a lot of UK Dancehall young artists over the years. He's been an intricate part of music on the dancehall scene for the south side of London for a number of years. He's stand the test of time for the younger generation. And now, I don't want to say he's a bit more mature, but he's more experienced. Bagga British is here. Good evening, sir.
Afternoon, sir.
Bagga British stand
Give thanks to forward for the show. It's been a long minute now. Well, he's an active individual.
We're there, man.
Exactly. The voice, the man.
On the ground, yeah, ZB.
Exactly. For me and the listeners, just give us a little history about Bagga British and how you started in the music.
A little history.
Yeah, like a little small synopsis of what about yourself.
You know what I say? Music in my family clean, but I never was a selector. I just have like selector in my rate, but I was a bus driver at Jamaica, you see me?
Yeah.
Driver.
Yo,
Stop at all.
Long at all?
No, halfway tree to Portmore.
Can't go now.
Okay.
Halfway tree to Portmore. So my
Yellow
bus.
bus them.
My bus them. What kind of yellow bus? Fire upon the bus.
The little bit, no, them both go Spanish.
I tell you the bus them I drive, yeah? Them
Yeah.
tilt up with big sound in it. A club on wheels I drive.
Okay.
A bag of things are going on.
Yeah, beer things
Bagga
going
things
on.
are going.
Okay.
So you weren't a selector in Jamaica? Okay, so what year did you come UK?
I found in the UK 2002.
Okay.
I turned selector in 2007 or 8, something like that.
What caused that? What was the main reason for that?
Why immigration tell me in a selector state?
No, you can't just say that. You have to
But
explain.
if that is the truth,
I
I
am
truth.
going to explain, but I get authentic, but I'm pretty up nothing.
So how did
When I reach
immigration?
the UK, I'm up on the wrong side of the law.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, I realize, say, yo, my friend them I make it, I mean, I get catch too much.
Was not good.
So, they don't know the thing, though. We get locked up on them thing there, so. We I say, boy, I'm going to go there something, you see me?
Okay. You decided to start take up music.
So my barber now,
Mhm.
him turn artist.
Right.
And him I say, yo, see money where you make? It's buy a sound. Let's buy a sound, so. So I say, yo, all right, buy a sound. And then they make, because I buy anything more, so I buy a sound.
Okay. Can you make money?
Yeah, so I buy the sound now and 2007 buy the sound and 2008. Well, when I buy the sound, I start keeping my birthday party in my house. Because
Yeah.
we have a big flat.
Okay.
You see me? So the flat is like a little club. So, them time I start keep party. But my party them free. Free for come in, free drinks. Free everything.
Yeah.
So
So it promote you, the individual.
yeah,
Bagga.
1 and 2 people follow the house party, left party, and I know them a left. At them time I know I select up here. I just do my thing.
Okay.
And then I start know people, and then some girls start recommending me to some people, and then we had to keep a like a Friday night thing, and then they want a sound.
Okay.
So I come and touch out that house now.
So you also on Ghana Road now.
I'm going down one club and the man say, yo, plant the sound and so every week. I say, all right then. I just come play early and then some selector come take it on. You see me?
So the name Bagga British. How did you get the name?
I'm Bagga British from yard, man.
So how you feel the Jamaican name British? I don't understand.
Yeah, my name Bagga British now. My brother there England, him come university and thing up here. Come
Okay.
long time. So when time my brother forward, I must send money give me and give him bring pound. So I'm gonna change it.
You keep it.
'Cause I bust my drive.
Yeah, I gotta get
Can't broke.
Okay.
So my pound in my pocket 24/7. So
All day, every
anytime
day.
I want to impress no girl or
Yeah.
gamble and some man I go like, cause I live near Caymanas Park, So
Yeah,
man
they want
got
size
park
up.
go win money and then come with them whole patos, I just pop out the queen face.
I say you see it, yeah?
So I saw me get
Big
name
pinky.
British. My name Bagga from primary school, cause I never left my bag yet. If I want jump fence, I just go on home.
Okay, so that's where the bag, cause
That's in Jamaican, bro.
Huh?
It's
but that's
crazy.
what was confusing. Cause we never understand what the bagger.
Alright, let me tell you.
He's a
forward.
bad man.
Let me tell you the bag. You're the first person to ask me a long while. Let me tell you the bag I fall from. I always have a bag around my waist. Yeah. I carry my bag from my back. I carry it around my waist. Yeah, around my waist I carry it, yeah. And then beat pan bends. We used to DJ freestyle lunchtime.
Yeah.
So my name Brown. So through me at the bag, them just call me Bagga Brown.
Okay.
So there was a selector named Bagga Brown from Jamaica.
Yeah, me know bagger, bro. from
Legend,
Jamaica.
yeah. So them name me after him. Everybody have a name after somebody.
But your voice almost sound like him as they call him.
Do you remember the original Bagga British man with the pan TV with talk? Oh, the dead one there.
Oh,
You know that one little brown man, they are Jamaica usually do some roadshow thing. Love chat.
Yeah, talk
Bagga Brown.
Bagger Brown.
Yeah.
no, I'm just saying.
Yeah, that
The
one. brother.
voice.
Him dead. I'm
Similar.
Bagga Brown, yeah. So them give me name after him. And then when the pawn thing come in now, they don't know, that's a British.
Exactly. So you roughly been doing it as a DJ professionally for roughly say about what 15 years now?
So I mean, that's when I turned professional, like, probably 2000. Because when I did it in 2000, I not take it professional at all. But when I get professional now, I start to take it serious. Because the Friday night thing now, the man them I can play upon the sound, them I say, yo, basically them I tell the man that own the club, I say, yo, boy, I can't play enough, get rid of him. But them things at the club. So,
Bad
Oh,
man.
okay. Them never know so year so.
Bad
But
man is
So,
active.
them did I say for a long while. So when me hear now, me just tell the one I say, yo, you see them boy there, I can't play back for my son.
simple. but there's a part of the story that's missing because you told us you buy the sound and you see a bridging them what DJ, but who taught you how to DJ?
No, man, I know, like I must have know music long time. It's
Okay,
when
when you say you know music,
well, I know, listen. It's when I made a play, it's when I made that Jamaican I did the bus thing.
yes,
It was like a competition. So now my bus alone have the music.
yes,
So who have the top music them. So them time that just cassette.
okay,
So you know, I know you like enough people there in a dance right now. They've never played music yet, but them know music.
them new music,
They know so
right.
that song they can't only from this song and there, so them know them thing there.
Yeah,
So I know them thing there long time. So I start building my pouch and I do my little horse thing and then my brother did have a lawyer bridge and say my selector. And he didn't know me as I said, just know me as a road man. And then my mother come to England for the first now, so I keep a little drink up. And he must say, yo, he want to clash me. So the first time I play with other people, I clash me and him clash that house and I kill it. So I bring me guy now to establish DJ and a little backyard house party. I kill them too. And then better start stuff. So this look like it nice. Start take it serious. I start build my pouch then. But all my turn like a bad now. I start mix and get bass tune now. Me did the delivery work as well. I made have a link. So the link made me get to know DJ face.
okay,
So them time the DJ face I turned from pouch to laptop.
okay.
So me and him in a business something. I don't know jokes thing. I just gadgets.
Legal
Gadgets.
Which is it or a DJ face?
Yeah.
Right?
The original DJ face.
Okay. Cause more than one face.
I am alone, I know it's DJ face.
Me don't know no more.
Me no
face.
more DJ.
Everybody balance the shoulder.
DJ face, Rocket Boss, you don't core with all of them.
Yeah, yeah,
Because me used to work in East London.
okay,
So at them me used to listen to Flames.
right,
Yeah, Flames, that's true.
You see me?
Yeah.
So the first person I know as DJ in England, I like couple now, I call them my name, yeah, man. Couple man.
right.
Yeah. And then, but Faith, me tell Faith, say, yo, me I build a pouch, you know, but me I link one youth and man I sell me all 2-3 CD for £20.
Yeah, get rip off.
But be a music upon them still, you know.
Yeah.
And Face I say, oh, auntie, me I got laptop you now. Hold them 2 pouch and copy it off. I say, copy it off that. I don't have time for that. I say, alright then. Alright, go and hold them. Just give me them. And
Big
then
up the
when
Face.
they give me them now,
Big up face.
most time MC them have some remix on it and some juggling.
I still know, up till now.
And some my pouch.
Yeah.
And some my pouch start getting mad.
Yeah. Cause face
Start
full of
adding.
remix.
Yeah, so I start adding something. So anytime I face a bridging man until him the lift up, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, see me. So by the time I lift up and him fall back at England, I couldn't believe it.
You say it's a different bugger.
Yeah, man, I escalate. But I run past enough of them up here, man. Because when I like, I just do my thing. I never like run no competition with nobody. I like clash and them things, they say, but when I like one clash a man, I say, yo, I'm in the league. So.
Yeah, because I see you go for clash over the lockdown.
I clash anybody, any guy, anytime.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
that me win or lose, be clashing.
So is it a part of the business where you
No,
feel like
I grew up in a clash, like cassette clash and them something they like.
So you're ready anytime.
Anytime.
All right. Next week.
Yeah, so we know we move a bit forward. So what happened to the son? Plant in our club, it look like a tree dead or something. What happened to his
No,
son?
the son, they both for a long while, you know, until me have a brethren. He never used to play, like, he don't want to play son. So he used to help with the son. And then him lift up from England. So me I struggle with the son, you know. But when me I struggle with the son, my name I get bigger.
Yeah.
So me I say, yo, if I am a son for a certain amount of money, and me I did it from 10 till sometime 7, 8 in the morning,
Yeah.
for a certain amount of money, I'm going to go laptop, you know. I must see money, so me just sell that.
yeah, because the maths, you know what I mean.
Lift up no more son.
I seen that you have
What you
strong
say?
affiliation. You, something right?
No, go on. No.
Yeah, you have strong affiliation with Warning Camp because I realized a couple years ago when me used to.
No, this is the thing. So me that keep the house party. I've never really been known like that. One time I keep a house party and Stylogy and Stomach walk in a party and it's like, you see me, like a biggest man and Tupac.
Which one are which?
Man, I must say, yo, Stylo there in a party. And me just say, yo, what I want that? Because I tell you everything did free when me I keep party.
Yeah.
You see me, I'm be a mother sort them out and from there, so I say, yo, I got voice some dub here now, because my name start. Because the club is there beside one club is up on Brixton, the name South Beach.
Yeah.
So my little bass club is there right beside there, so. So that's on me, boss.
So are you a part of Warning? Because me always want to know this because me always see the strong affiliation. Me don't know if I just brethren or I just associate.
Yo, me not part of no crew, but I want him to say. Like what me just say, boss what me say. There's a lot of reasons why I said nothing about it, but me not part of no crew.
It's just affiliation.
You see me?
Just affiliation.
Last time I said me a part of a crew. It never good.
They say that's affiliated.
Yeah, me not part of no crew, but me say Warning, they don't style of them and me G and enough artists, no. You see me? So,
So moving from
Hold on, yeah, move forward. We ask this question because me want to know and a lot of people want to know. So are you a DJ or a promoter or you're both?
well, both. Yeah.
how so you say you're both DJ and promoter.
Well, I was keeping my own party, so no promotion that.
Yeah, but we have this discussion about people who are them keep them one party and them call themselves promoter. But you've been so this is what we're
myself promoter them time. But here, let me tell you something, yeah. If you're looking at the history in England now, yeah, and me used to keep Clash Monday.
okay.
Me are the originator of it, and me start it up, and me get enough sound for Clash every Monday.
Okay.
So, Brett Steve, your idea? Brett Steve,
No,
your
well,
idea?
Excuse me, with what?
basically War Report them. Clash Monday is similar to War Report.
Okay.
Same
You
time,
don't come with him.
So they started out at the same time?
same time.
Okay. Well, I mean,
you dep on YouTube, you can just type in Clash Monday.
Clash Monday, Bagga
Wow,
British,
You just type in Clash Monday, don't type in my name, just type in Clash Monday.
and it will pop up.
And it'll pop up, and you check which year it's a go on.
So since we are talking about Clash, I'm going to say like the Clash bit. So give us like the accolades and the sound them we kill. So start name out some of the dopey them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I have to remember that to be honest with you, because I want to talk about it and I say, yo, you see the work I'm doing in dance and music for UK. Anytime I'm looking at my house, I can say a Clash trophy, you know. You see me, I want to I think last year Christmas we get a trophy for UK Dancehall show up on the radio for the first ever.
Yeah.
You
Man
see
need
me?
a mobile now.
So, we did do, I can't remember, but a couple little Clash, they dep on YouTube still, isn't it? Them dep on YouTube.
You feel like for the UK dancer, because I watch your show enough time. Enough time I log on to your Instagram, and I watch you and I hear enough of the song them. I not gonna tell a lie. Sometimes you make me know some of the little artists them where just a showboat song. But do you feel like you get the respect or the appreciation from the artists them itself? I not talk the ones them where you know. Like for instance, an artist will just have a song where him a release a try to promote and Bagga British play. You feel like them genuinely give it to you?
And that's what I don't ask the question, man. Capital, is it them artists up here? How we rate them, don't rate me.
This is where you get interested now.
After that,
Yeah, I tell you that we're not pretty up nothing tonight.
Take up pen and paper and write
The
them
artists
question.
them up here, most of them, like as I say, me in the street from yard till I come up here. 6-7 years I'm up here, so I do the industry thing, you see me? So I know when time people just like, as I say, look on it now, yeah? Enough artists, I not going to tell some Boston artists, but enough artists have a strong hold in now, yeah?
Endorsed.
When they get them big interview, they don't remember me. They don't want to me there. But they may cost you if you don't pay them song. But when you see them in that dance, you remember them and you pay them song. I see a difference. It's like enough artists are show respect now. Like 2022. You see me?
I'm just a catch
I may do this UK something.
A long time he's alright. For instance,
2013, I start take on the UK thing differently. And when I say I'm going to keep, I'm going to do UK Dancehall show. I want to establish selector tell me say, yo, I got to flop.
Really?
There's always somebody that tell you say
And
you're flop.
you weren't as established at the time as a DJ.
No, he was more than me at
He
the time.
was more than established.
So
than you.
who's bigger now?
What? That
Run
is it?
past him too, man.
You run past him
Far
now.
past him, man. Take a drink for this.
alright, hold on.
Alright, let me ask a question, Bagga.
Brett, you know who him attack?
Leave me alone. Bagga, let me ask you a question.
No.
Bagga, let me ask you a question, yeah? You see this notion of Ricky Pan and say UK, yeah? So the artists them have a problem with you calling them a UK artist.
You want me to say to you, one time, I get my first youth. I don't get first youth.
When they get a youth.
Forget it.
Man, I get yourself in a trouble, you know.
Yeah, and that me need to say. When we used to carry my football, yeah, me used to listen Vibes FM. So in a South London, the station we used to listen to Vibes FM, Wow FM. So the first DJ them name start here, Carlo, was like Alan Brando, JNR. Like me used to listen to JNR 24/7. None of them program them used to miss me. You see me? My radio DJ that. I even know him so bad in a clash until after. So I gravitate to him more. So JNR, Brando, and Pastor. The Pastor used to play Wolipa artist, but Pastor mostly play him friend them around him.
Yeah.
So when I do football more time, I listen to him and I say, yo, I start, you see me? So when I play like, when I used to play UK artists, I'm be a warning. I've never known nobody else.
Right.
So it wasn't like warning. From them time the warning and go on. That whole heap of English artists in night, whole heap of yard artists in night, and thing, and then I start know about that and you know, and then start climb, you know, stomach kid, tall up, tall up and style is a par. You see me? But really and truly, when I just started the DJ thing and I built my pouch, it was an artist named Real African, and Bucky Joe studio, the first studio I ever go. So voice dub and get tune and them something there. And then give me a little advice, regular.
Yeah.
Even now.
Even up to now. Yeah, big up Bucky Joe.
Alright, Bagga, I'm not cut you about obviously we have time, but we are go forward again. Like you work with enough of the UK artists them. Like you literally play a song where even as the Rick say, we wouldn't know if you not play for your station, yeah? And that when you play a song and them link it differently and say, yo, big up for that or whatever.
What's the response
your
like?
acknowledgement like?
No, the work acknowledging them. Don't, I say the word not acknowledging them because the way the work acknowledge right now, like enough artists with the promotion. There's a thing when some artists at the promotion from like Jamaica, yeah? Them call up certain people up here in England and if them ask the 5 name, my name as another 5. That's
I always say that, but in terms of like support, like we know you have your 2 events coming up. Like you play them song week in, week out. Do they actually come out to events to come actually show you like
support?
Their support, say they're grateful for what you're doing.
Yeah man, like as I say, every artist I go come, but the artists them do give support. Like I keep my party, all the artists as a unite.
Yeah,
You see me? Like from long time. You see me? Some of them I never really know them at the time. And sometimes I look back on something and I say, right, like there's no freaking thing like when time dance used to keep, and my dance them keep an artist that hold mic and I mash up the place like one time I keep a dance and Randy Valentine and Style G at the dance. Randy never dance. Randy Valentine never dance.
If you
Yes,
like UK,
so-
you're ling.
So in terms of the dancing now, like a lot of the artists them must say like the DJ them play them song on the radio and whatever, but they're not playing them song in the dance. Why is that?
All right, we have some song it to get played. The artist them must need to put in the work on it. If it's good enough and it go on with things. For instance, I'm not gonna give a Style G example. We give a Shanty Force example. Don't them play a Shanty Force song, no for artists them not even know him. Because the song attack for itself.
Yeah, but so you're basically actively saying now, say most of the man them song not really that good.
Most of them man them song are rubbish.
But fuckery, all right.
You give
And
him a shot
every
at- give him a shot at
artist
rum.
go in a studio
Yeah.
and do a song and then you're gonna say, yeah, it's good.
It's a hit.
Every song is
But
good.
but Bagga British, hold on now. So if you say most of them are rubbish, do you still play the rubbish song them on radio for give strength? Cause I'm not playing the rubbish, you know.
No, you are going to know. You can't, I'm not going to say the song them are rubbish, every song are rubbish. But if a song, like say a rhythm forward out now, right? It have 6-7 songs on the rhythm. Dancehall episode rhythm forward out. Right? It have a bunch of songs on the rhythm.
One.
How much song make it on the rhythm?
One.
No.
So why rest of song them don't make it? You have another rhythm. So I give you some lately thing, you know. Roadblock rhythm. Right?
One song alone
There's
up on
some
that.
dangerous song up on the rhythm there.
Yeah.
You know? Right? But
One song.
and not even one song, I just a man they just put in more work than the rest of the
Yeah, the
artists. Them.
promotion.
And,
Lord.
and on the topic
Work where the
of
man them put in pan some song, you have to play it.
and on the topic of
So in terms of the work when them put in, cause we know say some artists them sing some fucker song, but the fucker song them get rotation and dance because them and them crew come out and then money pull up some song. And you probably be guilty of the same thing because they're affiliated with certain crew and them can money pull up some song and them actively out on the street. The song them do get rotation in the dance, but really and truly if you listen to song a fuckery. Do you agree with me with in terms of what me just say?
It depends on which song you talk. Cause some of my song them, and I really fuck it. Some of my song them just last for 2 months. You know what I mean?
yeah.
Like a
Quick,
1 month
it's a quick
song or
buzz.
2 month song. So they're not gonna really last. You see me? But you have some song now, like there's some song in England. So we talk about England, right? You have some song in England where we used to play hard, they've not play hard again, but them still big. You see me? You look on Spooky Earth it up song. It's still big. You see me? It's cement in the people them head.
Yeah, that's a hit. That
And
was
you
a
don't
hit.
have a lot of song like that up here with cement in the people head.
Yeah, that's a big song, but
You know what I mean?
yeah, but in the nowadays generation when I talk about now, what in my vivid knowledge where I can recall playing in the party at the moment is literally 2 UK artists, especially in South London, that's always playing
Which two?
in the dance. And that's Prince Hakeem's song and that's Shanty Force. The rest of them song they might certain little dance they might get played because they're physically there.
But that's the thing now. That's where you go. Because for the last month, every dance I'm going to hear no Shanty Force song.
None.
None.
No, I don't hear
No,
no, but
Prince Hakeem
me does I
song,
say yeah.
What was
So
happening
that's
before?
the song, that's the dance where you go. Remember
Which song
say-
you are here? Which song
Alright,
are you
remember
hearing
say-
on the streets?
At the moment, young hear them if me play them.
Okay. And you go whole heap of dance. And you go whole heap of dance from Monday to
No,
Sunday.
you can't judge half
the
of
week.
you as a selector. You know,
No, what
you
me-
have to listen where
no,
other
what me-
selector them a
no,
play.
No, what me I try to show you, say,
Yeah.
member say, I go north. Member say me that the big dance them. The what you call them?
All levels.
The
The top
dinosaur
the
them.
top tier.
Right?
Yeah.
And my dad, the sharpshooter dance them. Remember
Yeah.
some book for dance, young people and big people.
Yeah.
So
So in the dad dance, not like that KJ dance or the sharpshooter dance. You will hear the Prince Hakeem them
yeah.
and hear a couple of songs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When me stuck in a traffic for 5 hours, I got 3 hours, I got Kim dance. Me and listen Liar Squad. Cut it thing. Hear the Prince Hakeem and hear the cut it.
Yeah.
You got Corey Max dance and now you go next day. Yeah, you don't know them song there.
Yeah, because they're different demography of people. We already know that.
Selected them the
No, it's same selector, but the crowd is a different demography because it's a older, more mature age group of them party.
So that's why I say some of the songs we play for them friend. Like some of the songs not go nowhere. In our left south. And some song over now can't come as out.
Facts.
I just say the thing, brother.
But on the street now, who's
Localized.
other song I play? Like the older artists, them to be honest, I haven't hear a lot of material from them being playing in the dance. Like the artists them who in the business longer, the older man them.
Like who?
Like who?
Not for the older man them. For example, let me just use Dan Bass as for example.
Yeah,
I don't really hear a recent Dan Bass song, a
I'm
new
asking
Dan Bass
some-
song been playing
I'm
in the
asking
dance hall.
some. You know about the song, you know the song on the Happy Feet?
Yeah. Tuki.
That, no.
Which
I have
one?
a problem with that.
Wait. Which of the Happy Feet are we talking about?
Because that is this. You see that Happy Feet. Go on, Ras.
All right. you see-
Let's clarify. Which are the Happy
you
Feet?
see the
Because
song on the Happy Feet,
Yeah.
There's like 3 of them.
there's a Jamaican one.
Yeah.
There's one Arital Law.
Yeah.
And there's one is I Took It.
I know
And
Tukis.
there's one is Slayer.
And
Yes,
And
that's
Dan
true.
Crazy.
That's true. Yes,
that
that's
song
true.
that locked down the party. Them,
That's true. That's
You hear me
true.
tell you?
That's
So
true.
the next dance they get booked, you drop that song there. Remember, people are singing.
That's true.
The song there, I lock down the dance.
Bagga, I want to ask if it's that song there because the 3 song them, I big up the 3 individual them. So I don't understand what go on there. So
No, because you were going to know. I think UK at the moment have something with them not gravitate to it, yeah?
Yeah.
You know, like Boom Boom, yeah? Boom Boom, them have I think when them have the artists. You have the roadman and you have the dancer, them.
Yeah.
England need that.
Yeah, but what me I say is the
See,
3
you
songs
see,
them.
Brother, you see, you select the up there where I play,
Yeah,
certain song. Selector can bust any song in.
that's true.
So you select the up there bust a song and him have like certain people like some girl who just go on extra thing because of the selector that play.
Yeah.
She a boss him and him a boss her. I see so some of them songs stay. You have a youth them, the dancer youth them,
Yeah.
them a roll up on some song. Them a give you advice when you a play. So them a help you, them a help the song. You know, like when you play some man song now, like Dragon, you know dance, you play some man song. And a man stay saying I can't. Theme song I play, you know. I play about theme song.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
I should be down my thing, you know.
because we
Yeah,
have
because
Because
you give
member
strength
say-
and I give strength.
Member say, you know.
Yeah.
Me there one party, another party was like a drink up, yeah? And an artist forward in, and me have a personal issue, and that song I got to it, so I play the song, yeah, one girl. Bagga, where that pan? Because song that you play. She has said this right beside the artist, I do this song, you know. A little more the artist that perform the song, and she that, you know. Yeah!
fans, so fans stay, man. That's fans, bro.
You understand what I mean? So it just to me feel like the business up here just want change up. Like on every song the artist them get you go play. Right?
But them don't know
some
that.
of my song them can work. That's what I said, just like they think the rhythm. I probably that song there, the Shanty 4 song, can work a certain dance. But if I drop another song off of the rhythm there, we can work in the dance. Or probably the spooky. Because it's all about the speech and the song.
All right, may I have 2 questions for you ask before we finish. And this based on your knowledge and your expertise in the business. May I put you on the spot a little bit. UK top 5, who them?
You know
Artists.
What?
You know what?
No, DJs, not about artists right now.
No, London finest, I would them.
No,
London.
alright, before you answer, you can't count yourself tonight. You fix 5 separate people for
Never put
yourself.
yourself in
No,
there.
I'm
You
just
have to tell me because everybody have tried
saying.
to
No,
find
because
out.
remember say you have the top 5, you know.
Yeah.
And then they have Bagga.
Alright, we're talking tough. We're not
Yeah,
talking
who in
about-
your eye you
So
feel
I
like?
don't know.
The top
What
5.
do you mean
mean
you don't
no,
know? You're about all along.
Bagga, you just say you got the young
Sorry,
people
sir.
dance them, and you got the
Bagga.
mid-tier dance them, and you
Bagga,
got the big
we're not
dance.
the-
Yeah,
Answer
but,
there.
you know, after quarantine.
Yeah, who are the top 5 after
Currently,
quarantine?
currently.
right now? Currently,
Pull
yeah.
up, pull up. Let me tell you something.
We not have money. We not have money.
Where camera? Where camera?
See that?
After quarantine, there was no more top 5.
What, them dead out in them dead?
Why? Explain.
I just stop one.
Bagga?
No, Andrew.
Okay.
Not afraid to talk.
So he,
Before the quarantine, he didn't have top 5, you know.
yeah, okay.
In my opinion,
Yeah.
sometimes some people are telling me I'm going like a fox. My opinion,
Yeah.
coming up, and in a dancer, young already, the top 5, Andrew, World Boss Lizard, World Power, Lizard.
You said lizard already.
No, I never said lizard. He said,
Yes,
It's
he said Andrew.
Andrew.
Oh, world boss.
World boss
World
lizard.
power, world power.
He said world boss lizard.
How much myself?
3.
Yeah, 4, myself.
It's a
Wow.
You said World Boss
All right,
Lizard.
start over account again.
And then you
I'm
said
confused.
Lizard.
Go on.
Right. Andrew.
When I can watch about this, I'm going to bet you.
Yeah, me have my money in there, sir. Me have my money. And then, no, sorry. We're not arguing.
Mr. Where Boss Lizard is.
We're watching back.
We're going to watch it back.
Why, yes.
Let's restart it.
Go on,
Let's
Andrew.
restart the code.
Anjo, World Power, Lizard, what the
That's a
fourth
three.
one?
That's some of this stuff.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mr. Crystal Blue.
Crystal
No, you
Blue.
never. You
I
meant
know.
to
you
say.
never-
No, you say.
No, you say.
Alright, why fifth? No.
Youngster Kid.
Gangster. Kid.
Gangster Kid. That was your top five.
That was the top 5
Prior to.
before quarantine.
Before
After
quarantine.
quarantine, I just out of the 5 or 1.
Top
One is still.
So where rest of them there?
Then lock done.
Well, this
What's pop? Hold on, what's pop on the chart them there? You know, on the
No,
table.
them still have it, you know. But
No,
just
we're
saying.
on the table them there, cause yeah.
Oh, to be fair,
How much question you want me to
no,
answer?
no. To be
Wait,
fair,
wait, wait.
to be fair, the 4 way I'm say.
Five.
Well, no.
Oh, the other four.
Other 4. Them not actually been fully.
No,
active.
listen to me, man. The 5 man, them are them that like the place. Right now, things
Prior
and
to.
time change.
Currently.
Youngster Kid die yard.
Yes.
So that me say?
Right? Lizard move out of London.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
Right?
Crystal Bluton.
Crystal, no, mix, then them dancehall thing again. Just quickly just step on them own. Right, World Power still had them thing over, so.
Yeah.
But I enjoy the man.
Yeah, so currently now with the real shuffle of dancehall because
And
everybody
the
take
young
a
youth, them are like the place,
yeah.
you
So
know.
give with the running order.
With
with
the
that
running
now.
order from
Me
that.
You know, say me no know. You know, say me know me that tell you.
Your
Alright,
opinion.
so-
Your
so-
Say
opinion.
the young youth, them.
Yeah.
Who
Your
can people
opinion.
look out for?
Me don't really know.
But
because-
who are the you say you don't you know tell nobody top 5.
Alright, so
but
a while ago-
hold on, let me ask the question. Who are the ones? Who are the young shooter them know where people can forward out and say yeah man, them a lucky place. Want some name because probably people on the live don't know everybody.
You want a drink before you take a question?
The young shooter,
You
them
want
are
a drink?
nice.
Want a
Me
drink?
feel like Bagga play politics.
No, I'm not
That
playing a politics, man. The young shooter, them not like the place, now. Lawyer squad them.
That's one.
See them, that them are like the place. And you have my name in the clash were there.
Who?
Capo.
Sparks.
Sparks. You had Kepa, Sparks. Who else was in that? Dio was
We don't
in
know
that.
much about Kappa, but we know about D and Sparks. Them are go on to them are shot.
Yeah.
You see me? I don't know the whole of the young youth. I know so they have some youth of me on a car, but I don't know if them how bad them is.
Yeah.
But I know about the D, I know about the Sparks, I know about
Yeah.
Liar Squad.
Fair enough.
I know about
One last question before you go. We can't do anything about this.
And
So,
about that factor, by the way, I let's do that about country. Killer Filler, one of the top selectors.
Yeah.
all right. This. Well,
Yeah.
they show this Sunday, innit?
One.
Continue.
No, I'm saying him there this Sunday. Same concept about the UK artists. Them. Him have a show where we never seen before. All female cast, innit?
Yeah.
So I'm saying, what made you want to do that?
I'm going to start reading the comment. As somebody I bought me up. May I give my opinion? You can
Yeah,
read
but
it
that's
more.
why.
Right.
Pay attention to the
Anyway,
comments.
yeah. So anyway, with the UK dancer thing, I feel like it can work.
It can
So,
work.
but the artists them, some of them make it harder for themselves. Select them, people them in the dance. Because most of the people in the dance, when you try to run a race and play a song, then discourage you. So, me that thing come here and say, me I got to do. So, a stage show with the UK artists only, and I send for nobody.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
But then now, the truth me play UK artists, my phone and I ring too much, so I say, you know what, let me do a female one first and test it out. So this is like a test. You see me?
Yeah.
There's a lot of talking I go on like it I go on, but sometimes people just talk. So this is just a test for me. I say, I'm try out the female artist. I couldn't put every female artist on it.
Naturally.
So me just, I said myself, so I just pick 7 girl.
Right. So talk to us a little bit more. What's the name of the event? Where is it going to be hosted? Yeah.
So
give us some more
the event
details.
invert you, so meaning talented female.
Okay.
It's gonna be in Palm Beach in Croydon,
Yes.
the new club everybody are keeping party right now.
3 to 7 Park Street.
3 to 7 Park Street.
Yes.
Right in Palm Beach.
Yes.
It'll start from about 12. It'll finish 2.
12 p.m. till 2 a.m.
Yeah. So
And
the stage will start but we are there then for 9 o'clock. I go and play some tune
okay.
and then something there. So yeah. All of the artists them I do them like a rehearsal. So it's not like a walk up on.
So is it band or track show?
It's track show.
Track show.
Yeah.
And we're just going to call out the listing of the performers. CC Foster, Queen Lady Gangster, Lisa Mercedes, Princess Barbie, V-Licious, Miss Bandy, Lady Danger. And this is going to be hosted by Forever Sasha. Yeah, so this promises to be a very good event. It's a nice show with
Nice
some
lineup.
talented female artists, so make sure someone getting the tickets them. Music will be provided by Bagga British himself, Sir DJ Corey, Vibes Classic, and Eurostar. Sorry, Vibes, sorry. As pluralizing your name. So that's happening on Sunday, but before we reach the Sunday, Saturday, the 17th.
Granaries, man.
Talk to you about that, my
The
G.
people them know say granaries are the club for B right now.
Right.
Right, the longest, I'm 32 years.
Yeah, right.
Yes, they
So-
celebrated the 32 anniversary.
When the club them are forward and I disappear, granaries always there.
Still standing.
And it's a different vibe. So a 3-floor granaries, one of a DJ got up on the bill.
Yes.
And Think KJ and Tricks a special guest on the top floor. It's going to on the top floor, it's going to be like dancehall,
Right.
90% a girl song,
Right.
and 10% a choppy line.
Mm-hmm.
So a Saturday.
So we're not
and
split
them-
the 10 in a half. We can do 5% choppy line and 5% guzu.
I know
they-
Chappie
they
line.
up to KJ and Tricks and Mix Master J and them.
Mix Masters, Bagga again, Marcus Drama, Fresh Vibes, Galistar,
Yeah,
Big
man.
Bad M3, J Suede, Flexing Vibes, and many more
What about
DJs
artists?
them for forward out, yeah?
And guess what?
The weekend festive still.
I see that show you something to people.
Yeah.
This is the first female show I know of. I don't know if you know the keep before.
Yeah.
And it's also the first, hopefully not the last, show Lisa, Mercedes, and Lady
On the
Lady Dean.
Lady Danger on the same
are on
stage.
them on
We
the
were
first
going
stage
yeah.
ever.
Yeah. We were going to point that out. How did you make it happen?
History.
Well, as I said, I've been playing like Lisa Mercedes and Lady Danger them song before we even know them
Yeah,
like that much. Lisa Mercedes and Style Lecture, so you know the thing.
definitely.
Me
Definitely.
in a couple of videos as well. And Lady Danger, well, yeah. I think she does one of the baddest thing. Right?
Yeah.
So,
Buzzing Queen.
yeah, so
She said Benz.
yeah, them have them like a word that true.
Yes.
So. Them now have a clash,
What make?
so them say. So
You have extra security just in case.
we say
I'm there.
we say one I'm secure my own party them,
Cool up, man.
you know.
I have
You know
one,
that.
one question I want to ask you before. One question I want to ask you before you go. UK, give me one song for a year, because Christmas is in a year now. Why
UK.
UK dancehall? Why best song for that year? I want you to give me an honest opinion. Not give me because you want to highlight your bridging. Just give me the honest opinion, the best song for that year.
Ja.
Stress out the man, Maggie.
Yeah.
Pressure.
You know, I'm going to say Shanti, but you are going to Shanti song from last year. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Shanti song from last year. You know, say like last year's boss song there, you know?
Yes.
Halloween.
Yes.
So you not account for this year.
No.
No.
Talking about 2020 few.
Boy, it's
Look like a good song to make that year.
No. But to be fair, yeah, if you ask all of it, that's scratch at the moment. That
Yeah, because I mean, life enough for no opinion.
my opinion. No, there's a few songs where
One you ask her, one.
One?
Yeah.
all right. Me I gotta be honest, it might sound biased,
probably is.
and it probably is as
Just say
well.
what you say, man.
Hold on. Give me a second. Cause me no want be
Alright.
One to you,
me
one
no want
to
be
you.
untruth.
One to you, Jagan.
Me? New system, man, I came.
Which
Eh?
one?
You know,
Which one?
if you come in your mouth, if you come in the girl mouth, don't spit it out.
So you're part of new system.
I ask them, man, hopefully them sign me.
No, man,
That's it. That's it.
No, that song there,
Well,
for me,
to me-
that song there, do it around, especially in the summer, leading up to the summer.
That's,
Alright.
Alright, that's what I want. That's
Me
what
that
I
go pick a
want.
different song.
Eh?
Wait. You
Yeah, me fire my song.
I pick a song for
No,
Christmas.
they-
I pick a song for Christmas when they probably not even know.
No, I want you to be honest, you know.
No, I have a song just premiered last week and I feel like it got a lot on the place. It's a new Dan Andre named As a Killer.
Yeah.
As a killer.
I feel like that song
That
there,
song is bad.
I got a
That
lot
song
of the
is bad.
place.
That's not
Jealous.
If you put in the work in that song there,
Yeah, that's not bad.
that song there, yeah, As a Killer.
Yeah, Bagga British.
You know,
What
so
a
we
year,
are,
sir.
you know, so we are running the top.
Yeah, but
As a
don't,
selector, as a bad man.
Yeah.
All
As
that
a
thing.
promoter.
yeah, but don't jump the fence.
No,
Song of the year.
Yeah, don't.
My song of the year, I spooky song, me like.
Which one?
The I can't remember the title. So after the song,
Half
the
an
tear.
EP.
Half an
After
EP. No.
EP.
Bad man, we not attack the song where you like, you know, we say song
No,
where
no,
I run the
no.
road.
No,
That's a
the
favorite
fir-
song, though.
my-
Yeah, that's your favorite song.
favorite
We say the
of the
song
year.
of the year.
No, that's
where
what-
where the
what-
people them gravitate to on the
No,
road.
it's not about what people gravitate. It's about what you personally like or you.
Or
think
if it
is
be
the
song of
best
the year because you like
No,
it.
but that's
Because,
no,
because
let me
you like
explain.
Chronic's album, you play Chronic's album in a dance and people back here.
Let me explain the question.
Let me answer the question. I feel like the song of the year will get the most play as from the UK art.
No, that's a different question.
No, but that song of the year get the most play.
Yeah, no, I'm all right. I'm not saying this.
If it ever do like a stream
That's
or
different.
whatever,
Now that's different.
That'll be number one, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it me? I said that'll be roadblock.
We're not talking about according to numbers. I'm talking about personal
Me
preference.
I
If we
count the
talk
numbers.
about
them.
numbers.
Even I forward the numbers next week.
No,
Me I
but
count
no,
them.
that's a different question. If it was a numbers game, then we can say.
Favorite song.
Yeah, I'm just saying that what you think is your personal favorite
No, I
song
never
for the year.
that.
wasn't the question.
That wasn't the
Ah,
question.
yeah,
That-
Yeah, me say what this song
why
get
song of the year?
That's what you say.
What's the song of the
Let's
year?
get some clarity.
Yeah,
Let's
but
get-
there's
no,
two
no,
different
Rick,
ways you
no,
can.
Nobody
Rick,
mix it up,
no,
Rick.
don't
Nobody
mix
mix
it
it
up.
up. No, Rick,
The
yeah.
question that you asked was,
Yeah.
what is the song
of
for
the
2020 few? Remember, you know.
Yeah, but that's what in his.
You
his-
cannot change it in the middle
No,
of
I'm
it.
not changing
You
it.
have changed it. You have
Ricky,
changed
I jumped the fence, you know.
Right?
Yeah, I jumped the
So-
fence.
Rick, as a reporter,
Clarity.
you're wrong.
Clarity. We're working with the song for 2020 few for the year, not
Okay.
what you like. What is running the streets?
Okay,
Everybody
so my
up on the
one.
same page
The boss
now.
said,
That's my one.
Bagga British say a
Hold on.
roadblock.
You said roadblock
Yeah.
for you, Bagga. That's what you're working with.
Me, I got-
You said, hold on, I could just repeat so people are following. You said Prince Akeem.
Yeah.
If we
The
come
song-
name out, those spit it
Yeah.
out. Breadback.
Concur with Dragon. Because when
Pia girl a drink sperms for you summer, you know. Pia sperms them drink the whole like summer.
Out every song I play, you have to work with the females a minute. So, and when it plays, when a man look at the girl, I'm
That
say,
song that go on, man.
like, I'm say, that's how I go. Because when it play,
Yeah.
the girl, them literally,
Them broke out.
Them
So-
work.
Like,
Because
yeah.
we have to be fair,
So
because
that song there is a song
remember
that come like the Christmas.
that song still playing now in the
When
dancehall
it
because
release, when it release.
Summer.
so.
no that song
I think
no
it
no
wasn't
it,
summer.
no it wasn't summer. I think that song
Temper,
released
when the
like
song released.
but I think late Easter, about in Easter time, and the bubble up in
So
the
that's
summer.
some of
You
that,
get a
man.
get a
But I
no.
think that song that play more than get more of it. Like,
It
one-
needs
Yeah,
to-
man,
one
it
more.
did no,
It needs to
no,
play
it
more.
get a lot because bun for bun. If you get bun for bun play, but anytime bun for bun play,
play.
that have to play.
Guys, we
So you have to
wrap
look on
up.
it.
I'm
Say that have to play. I
sorry.
remember say you'd have
Yeah.
like a TikTok trend with
But
bun
that-
for bun
But this is
and stuff.
Show you say, Prince Akeem song a group and the people, bun for bun group and the people are ready.
Right. So, I mean, we got three different perspectives of song of
January, say it drop.
so,
Start of the year.
January of 2020 few.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So it get a good one and it's still a
But
playing
it
a
a
dance.
get it.
It's still a get traction.
Alright.
Right, Bagga. So Saturday we're at Granaries. Sunday we're at Palm Beach. What else is happening for you for the rest of the year? Where can people forward out and see you? Mash up a stage. Quick and fast.
I'm happy for 7 that we can do like the big selector then I say, check the gram.
Yeah, too much.
Too much.
It's a pocket tall, my friend.
Lord,
And for those who are not following you on Instagram just yet, give us your 2 pages
Yeah, man,
that they can follow.
We're there for most of the party them, so
Yeah.
we're there on the party, we promote them, so we're there outside.
Your Instagram handles for people that are not following you just yet.
One Bagga British, you search it on Google.
And Bagga British _promo.
Twitter, everything.
Yeah, everything right across the board. Big up yourself,
But
bro.
Google Bagga British, it does.
Must pop up.
That's what I'm reach right now.
Cool, nah, man. Thank you ever so much for forwarding out and having a chat with us. We're looking forward to the
man.
weekend's festivities.
Big up on
Give
live show.
thanks for everything that you're doing. And remind people of your radio shows and when them can tune in.
I'm there on City Lock Radio, 89.4.
Yeah.
I think I'm there on it for 9 years now, so.
Cool, man.
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
And you know, just look out for the live notification for Instagram. It pop up. If you follow Bagga, it will pop up. Thank you so much for joining
Yes,
us.
people.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11. The Little Brown Ass Dragon All-Star, Rick, Breadback, Mad One, Fire Q. Big up to Granny Resort sponsor. Remember that you can go to their events. On a Thursday is games night. Fridays, Magnum Fridays, Bootylicious Babes. Saturday, them have events on a Saturday.
Saturday, yeah.
Just look out on the Instagram pages for more details. Please do remember to go over to our YouTube channel to support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when our videos drop. Dragon All Star.
Play the song of the year.
Love your brother, love your sister, love ruling everything you do. Want to read a book in them, say brain power is the main power. You know me have to play the song because them say that song of the year. You know the thing go, we not bias. We just do the right thing. Other song of the people are real from what they ask, sir. Ladies, remember safe sex, you know. Don't swallow, but don't drink.
If me come in on your mouth, don't spit it out. Does that's ridiculous. Baby, my love it, but you're pretty tough. Breast me dick between your titty toes. You say them not like it, that coffee them fall. Me love when you make your tongue circle my balls. You not like it, that coffee them fall. That coffee them fall, but you see me. My love heads, yeah, me love it. I'm in a care who doesn't. And now you hold me, me come back. Are you good mouth, give me comfort. My love heads, yeah, me love it. I'm in a care who doesn't. And now you hold me, me come back. Are you good mouth, give me 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 mouth.